There he is. Fish on. Nice one. It's a nice fish. Turn around here and give you a shot of the beach. It's Panama City Beach in Florida. And no wind to speak of. And it's going to be warm. Being, you know, low to mid 90s today. And there's really no mention of rain, but anytime during the summer in Florida, you got a good chance of afternoon thunderstorms. So there's bait right there. I don't have a sabiki. I got one, but it ain't rigged up. But I'm gonna throw this jerk bait into it. Yeah, tons of bait right here, guys. Yeah, when I was in my teens, maybe early 20s, I went with a guy a couple of times on the beach right here with a big seine net, catching cigar minnows. And he'd see a big pile and he would take 3 of us. We would jump over, he'd get close to the beach as he could, throw one end of the net out, and then we would swim that end to the shore. Then he'd make a big loop around and get, you know, down the beach a little ways, throw the other end of the net out with another 3 guys, and we would, both ends of us, working our way to the beach. And man, you ain't kidding, load up, because he was doing it for a living, you know what I mean?
Selling them?
Yeah.
That stuff, I mean, it adds up. You go get a, what is it, a 10-pound box or whatever?
Yeah, this 5-pound, I got a 5-pound box. It's, yes.
It's like 5 pound, it's like 20, 25 bucks.
It was, well, I found a place to get them right close to my house, grocery outlet.
Oh yeah? And
I never even knew they had bait.
I didn't either.
And it's right there by the exit door. $14 a box.
Oh, well, that's what I'll be doing from now on.
Yeah. Yep, $14 a box for cigar minnows. For a 5-pound box or whatever it is. Yeah, I say let's get on out there. Alright guys, we're just gonna troll our way out.
Oh, I think you said something.
Nah, I was talking to the camera. I'm just dragging a little bit plastic behind me for a little way, see if anything hits it or not. But I'll cut the camera off for now, save the battery. And if anything exciting happens, I'll cut it back on. But for now, we'll see you when we get out there. Oh, yep. Fish on. Ah, I got off.
Mine got picked apart.
Yeah, he might have got my bait. I don't know. I had a whole cigar minnow on there though. Nope. There, now we got him.
That's a good one. Red.
Nah, he ain't shaking like a red. Oh, there he's got a little tug to him there. See color. Grouper.
Keeper?
I don't think so. Nah. Little red.
Like about the same size.
Yeah. That little red grouper, guys. He ain't a keeper. We'll measure him anyway just to see what he is. Yeah, he's under 16, 15 and a half.
What if it's the same one?
Didn't even get my bait. We'll send that back down. Getting a couple little bites, but
Drop one more time on it. If we don't get bit, we move on.
there he is. Fish on. Nice one. That's a nice fish.
We're going to say it's a 30-inch red snapper. Let's go.
He ain't shaking his head. You got a flat line out over here?
I do. Is it all the way over there?
Yeah. About to get it. Yeah, it might be an amberjack. I don't think it's a snapper. He ain't shaking like a snapper. Oh, it is a big snapper.
Is it?
It's a nice snapper. Hell yeah. Hell to the yeah. Nice. Hell yeah. I'm liking it.
On the bottom?
Yep. Oh, he ain't hooked real good either. Holy shit.
You got him yet?
No, but I'm alright. He'll float. He'll float if he was to come loose. He ain't hooked bad. Ah, come here, guy. Alright, we got you now. Coming aboard.
Nice.
Whew. Hell yeah. Nice snapper.
See, told you 30-inch snapper.
You were right. Yeah, he just wasn't shaking his head like a snapper.
We get 3 more of those, we can go in.
Right? For sure. Alright guys, there he is. He's got some crabs or something in his... Alright. Nice fish. Get a quick measurement on him. And then we'll bleed him out. Got me. Come here, buddy. Come here, buddy. Settle down. 28 inches. A little over 28. Yep, tick over 28. Hell yeah. Get him bled out. Nice. Right on. I'm liking that. Get him up here and get a nice shot of it for you guys. Here he is, 28-inch snapper. Nice looking fish. How deep are we here?
73 feet of water.
73 feet of water. 4 miles off the beach. And we're catching 28-inch snapper. Gotta love it. All right. Man, I need to change this leader out. Yeah, I've been noticing a bad spot on it. I'm gonna go ahead and cut it and shorten it up a little bit. I'd hate to lose a fish because of I mean, it's not terrible nick, but it's a nick. Uh-oh. Right. All right, we'll get one last look at this guy here before he goes in the box. All right, there he is. Get in there. Yeah, that's a nice fish. Ouch. Oh yeah, what he spit up? Can't tell. Alright, might be a snapper. You got him up, he's starting to float.
It is a snapper.
Decent?
Oh, shoot you.
Nice. Oh, really?
Oh, yeah.
What's your best? 24, right on.
He's got to be close to 30.
Hell yeah. Nice. Hell yeah. You get a measurement on him?
He's a fatty, too.
Yeah.
He is. Oh, maybe he's not as big as I thought. 26 3/4.
Just short of 27. Hey, nice fish. There we go. Hell yeah. Kevin with the just shy of 27-inch snapper. Just offshore Panama City Beach. About 4 miles out, something like that. So we both got us a nice snapper now. We each just need one more. Our limits, are we still on?
No, we're off of it. Let me get rebaited and we'll get back.
Yeah. But we're allowed 2 snapper, 16 inches or better. And we both, I got a 28 and he's got a 27. Ah. Ah.
That ain't good.
Broke the rod. Son of a... Damn it, man. Broke you off too?
Nope.
No?
Pulled.
Fish on.
I just got a bite too.
Ah! Broke me off. Unless it pulled the hook. I got my weight. Damn it. That was a nice fish. Yep, broke me off. Ain't nothing wrong with this ruby red. There he is.
If it feels like he gets rocked up, just give him some slack. One of the barracudas over here by me. I got a cast if you need one.
Broke off. Or pulled the hook. Still got my weight. Damn it, that was a fish. I was on the ruby. Broke. Broke at the hook, at the knot. Or no, I don't know if it was a knot or not, but oh, it's rough. He got me into something. Probably an AJ. Huh?
Then I'm sure there's plenty down there to get you into.
Yeah, if it's part of the Hathaway.
Yeah.
Damn it. Yeah, I thought he was coming up. Then he decided against it.
Still have it on the bottom?
Yeah. No, I mean, I had him off the bottom.
I'm saying when you hooked it.
Yeah, yeah. I had him up. Then he had nothing. He was coming up, and then he decided he wasn't coming up. Probably an AJ. I don't think it was a snapper. Because if it was, he was healthy. Way bigger than the one I had earlier. Yeah, he got me into some structure. Because I had a brand new long leader on here. Now I got about half of it. Got him. Yep, little bitty guy. Little red grouper.
Yeah.
Buttload of them down there. Little 14-inch or so. I didn't even get my bait. How about that? Bonus bait. This one feels a little bigger. Come here, guy. Quit jacking around. Nope. Nope. No, another grouper. A little bigger than the other one, but he ain't 20. I say he ain't 20.
What?
he's a tick over 18.
Oh, man.
18 and a quarter.
It's got to be a keeper here.
You would think so. Little 18-inch red grouper. Pretty fish. It's got to be 20 inches. Is that to the fork or overall?
I think it's total length.
Yeah, it's like they're picking it up and swimming away with it. Damn, that was a little head shake there. Another red grouper. Yep. Little guy. Red Grouper City.
Found the nursery.
Yep. Little guy there.
Oh, yeah.
Alright guys, our day is almost done. We're coming back into the beach. Still a little bit out, but not too far. But a little bit of a slow day, I guess. We both got I got a 28-inch snapper and he got a 27-inch snapper, Kevin. And then he had something big and broke his rod, and I got into something big, which was probably an amberjack. And he had me bowed over pretty good. Had him part way up and thought I was gonna get him up, and then he took off for a pretty good run and got me in the structure and broke me off. But that and a bunch of red grouper catfish. And then of course, right where we launched at, there's jet ski rentals. And now we got to deal with these guys coming in. It's all right. Yeah. I was looking at that a minute ago.